Okay, so here's the rearranging equations. So rearranging, that's the important piece here. And we're asked to find any errors. So actually, rather than looking at each step, I'm going to try and rearrange myself. So here's A equals BH, and it's make H the subject. So the idea is to kind of get rid of all of the letters that are next to H. Now B is multiplying, so we're going to divide both sides by B. And that has the effect of cancelling out the B, right, because it's a common factor. And so the final line would be H equals A divided by B. So now let's look at the first step. Step 1 here was to, okay, there's a mistake. Subtract B from both sides was the incorrect first move, okay? But actually, can you see what's happened as well? They've also made a mistake, BH minus B. They've just kind of taken off the B. So we can't obviously do that. It just doesn't make any sense to do BH minus B, just leaves the H. So there you go. So there's two mistakes, one on step 1 and one on step 2. Let's look at part B. So I've got A equals a half B plus 3 minus 5C. Now I always like, okay, and we're making B the subject, I always like to get rid of that denominator. So you can see I'm going to times everything by 2, times this by 2, times this term by 2, and times this term by 2. Don't forget to times both terms on the right hand side by 2. So that means I've got 2A here. The 2 times a half cancels out. That's a B plus 3. And that 5 times 2 times C is 10C. That looks good. And then I'm going to keep simplifying it. I'm going to subtract 3, right? And I'm going to add 10C. But I have to subtract 3 and add 10C to both sides. So 2A minus 3 plus 10C. And on this side I've got B. So there we go. That looks pretty good. Now let's go and check the steps here. Alright, so here it looks like we've times by 2. 2 multiplied here. 2 multiplied here is good. And also look, 2 multiplied by there. Step 1 looks great. Now let's see what's happened to step 2. The 2 times the half cancels out. So we've got, B plus 3 seems to have turned into B plus 6. Alright, so that seems to be the error there. Okay, hope that helps.